avocado.
You're not giving her a lot, are you? She's having trouble eating it.
No. You're not going to do your little shake?
I don't know. Should I not give her that? I just need to give her a little.
Did you do it again?
No, she's just making faces. Give her just a tiny bit. Maybe it's in too big of chunks.
That's not it. Frankie, get down.